Hey guys, we made it into Kos. We're finally in Greece. Flew into the airport, pretty uneventful. Now we're fixing to go out and get something to eat. It's been a long night. Come back, go to bed. See behind me, you can see the marina and everything. We're right on off the water. Kos. Got a nice view of the harbor out there. We're at Flamingo's restaurant. We can have some Greek breakfast before we get on the ferry, which is over there past those two warships. Other than that, yeah, we'll be in Patmos this afternoon. Beautiful day, not too hot, got like a little breeze blowing off the ocean here. We got about another 35-40 minutes until the ferry gets here. Head on over to Patmos. I'm going to get on here real quick and show you what the harbor looks like and everything. Got some waves coming in from where boats just went out. It's a beautiful island. Carries big 18-wheeler type trailers full of goods and supplies. This is how they get most of their supplies. All these little islands around here is these boats. Back in Kos for the night.
I didn't get frisked or anything.
Well, we ain't gone through security yet.
So give me a second.
One more day in Kos and then we're flying out to Italy.
Woo!
Stay tuned. Here we are on the streets of Kos. I'm standing out here waiting for Marty to get done buying some souvenirs in this place. Got some pretty cool stuff here. We're having dinner at the Twin Dragon Chinese restaurant. Here on the beach. And this area of land right over here, all that land, that's Turkey. That's how close we are to another country right now. everybody. One last day here in Kos. We're flying out here in a couple hours, but this is the view from our hotel balcony this morning. This is their view. Not a bad way to wake up last night in Greece. Well, we're about 15 minutes from boarding our flight, or our bus, I guess you would say, to go to the flight. This is one of those airports where you have to board on the tarmac. So they have buses out there that you have to get on here from the terminal, and it takes you out to the airplane.
It's always fun. It's always an adventure because you never know where you're going to end up, for real. I'm just glad that security loves me here. I'm going to harp on that for the rest of my life.
Made it on the bus. We're going to the plane.
We were delayed by Florida man.
That's a story for later. Okay, here's the situation about Florida man. Florida man was in a wheelchair, so he got to go first. He didn't have a problem getting through, but the family that he was with, boarding passes would not scan, so they held up the whole line. They finally pulled him aside so everybody else could go by him after maybe, 10 minutes?
I was standing on the stairs to go into the plane.
No, we didn't get to the plane yet. This is still back in the terminal.
Oh, yeah.
Now, we finally get through, we get on the bus. Florida man's family gets on the bus with us, and we get to the plane. We're walking up the steps to get on the plane.
We try to get to the plane.
And Florida man strikes again. Evidently, they were canceled out of their seat, or something happened with their seat, but somebody was in their seat. So they once again held up the line probably for another 10 minutes.
And they said that they had upgraded their seats, and that their seats that they wanted, somebody was actually in, and they were like, I'm not giving up my seat. So then you had that going on.
Florida man strikes in Greece. We made it to Athens. We're here in the airport. Got about another 2.5 hour layover to our next flight on into Italy. So we just had some lunch, had a burger and fries. That's where we're at right now.